Hello, today's topic is adding floors. When adding floors, we should be on a floor level. For example, I will go project browser ground zero level. So we go architecture, floor, and start sketching our floor. While we are creating our floor, we have to make sure that the boundary line is in a closed loop, and then finish edit mode. Please note that the way to get out of the modify sketch mode is to click on the finish edit mode, either clicking the green checkbox icon or the red cross icon. Unless otherwise we don't click on the finish modify mode, we will notice that all other tabs are grayed out. For example, if I go to architecture, it is grayed out. So we have to go to modify and then click finish edit mode. To get different types of floors and to edit them, we simply click and then go to properties. From the type selector, I can choose any one of these. For example, generic 12-inch. I go edit type, duplicate. I would name it example 1. OK. Then we go structure, click on edit. For example, I would insert additional layer. It is recommended to specify the function of this inserted layer. I would choose finish. Its thickness would be, for example, 0.1 meter. I might change its original structure thickness to be 0.2 instead of 0.3, and then OK. Apply. OK. So this is our own type of floor named generic example 1. Moving to extend into wall core. What is extend into wall core? It is an option used if we want our created floor to extend into the structural layer of our wall. For example, if I go to the second floor plan view, start modeling my floor, architectural floor, I will check extend into wall. And then finish edit mode. I will notice that the floor got extended till the finish layer of my compound wall. I will join. Here is clearly the level of the slab or the floor extending till the core of the compound wall, the structural layer, and reached the finished floor level of the wall. And if I go to the 3D view, and if I consider this is my exterior wall, we will notice that we cannot see the thickness of the floor or the slab from that outside wall. On the other hand, if I go, for example, to the third floor, creating the floor without using extend into wall, if I go to the 3D view, I can see the thickness of that floor or slab from the outside wall elevation. In case of encountering the message, would you like walls that go up to the floor's level to attach its bottom? We can respond yes or no, and we would see both scenarios. If I respond yes, this is the scenario of yes. the wall is attaching the bottom side of the floor, not the top side. So the wall is attaching the underside of our floor. In case I respond as no, this is a scenario of wall reaching the top side of my floor or my slab and not the bottom side, the underside of our floor. Finally, how do we create a curb for a sidewalk? For example, if I go to the street level floor plan, if I assume that this is my sidewalk, I go to architectural floor from the down drop menu, floor slab edge. I go to edit type, duplicate, make it example 7. Okay, for the time being, we recommend to choose curb as profile. Okay, go again architecture, drop down menu, floor slab edge. Make sure from the type selector we are using our right slab edge type, which is example 7. Specify the edge we need to add the curb for example this one also. From the 3D we can see our curb. Escape. This is our curb. A piece of advice: if we need to create our own curb profile, we will get to know this later on when knowing about families and how to create our own profile and load it back into our project. By this, we come to the end of our topic today. Please like this video if you find it helpful.